Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your crypto. Calm wallet address. First, open the crypto. Calm app on your mobile device and ensure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will see a navigation bar at the bottom. Tap on the Accounts tab, which is typically located on the left side. This section provides an overview of your various crypto and fiat balances within the app. After tapping Accounts, you will see different account types. Select Crypto Wallet to view your digital asset holdings. This action will present a comprehensive list of all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold or can trade on the platform. Take a moment to scroll through this list and identify the specific cryptocurrency for which you need the deposit address. For example, you might be looking for Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once you have found the cryptocurrency you need, tap on its entry in the list. This will take you to a detailed page for that specific coin. On this page, you will typically see options like buy, sell, send, and deposit. Choose the deposit option. Before proceeding, the app might display important information, such as network selection or a minimum deposit amount, which is often around $1. After selecting deposit, your unique wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency will be prominently displayed on the screen. It will often be accompanied by a QR code for easy scanning. To use this address, simply tap the Copy Address button, which will save it to your device's clipboard. You can then paste this address into another wallet or exchange to receive funds securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.